Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devon. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designing here and there. If you think that is something you'd be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every week when I upload. Is a lip combo of the day. Is a very simple nude lip. Y'all know I've been in my nude lip bag, so just be expecting that for a while. My lip liner today is the Jaclyn Cosmetics lip liner. This is in Coffee Cake. It's a really light brown lip liner. I actually thought this was my darker brown that I had from her. As you all know, Jaclyn Cosmetics no longer exists, but yeah, it's just a light brown lip liner. And then over top I'm using my NYX Filler Instinct lipstick, and this is in Beach Casual, and it looks like that. And then just a little bit on top, just right in the center, just for extra little bit of gloss, because that is pretty glossy, is going to be my Morphe and Madison Beer lip gloss. It is very old. It is in the shade Mars, and obviously it's just another nude. So that is my lip combo for today. And in today's video, we are going to be doing a little Bath and Body Works haul, you guys. Y'all know the brand new luxury collection came out, so I had to get a few things from there. I already did a video on those, so I will have it linked if you guys have not already checked that out. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the little haul. So I end up doing the buy 3 get 3 sale, and then I had a 25% off because I wanted to get some of the brand new luxury items. So I'm gonna go ahead and run through this haul with you guys. So the first thing I got was the All Eyes on Her, which is supposed to be a dupe for Burberry Her. In my opinion, it's Burberry Her Elixir, but this is very beautiful. This is ripe blackberry, bold jasmine, and velvety sandalwood. It smells really, really good. Now, my store didn't have the pens or the body creams in this, so I wasn't able to smell those to see if they were worth it. But overall, this is a beautiful new scent. The other scent I ended up getting was Strawberry Flirts, and I got it in the mist as well as the pen. And these smell amazing as well. This is Strawberry Jam, Vibrant Poppy, Cotton Candy Musk. This is definitely a dupe for Fleur's Strawberry Letter. So good. I feel like I get even more strawberry in the perfume mist. It is so good, and to me very much backup worthy. These are $14.95, so you're able to use these with a reward. These are $18.95, so you will probably have to wait for a fragrance mist sale. But yeah, I love this. Very last one from the new luxury collection is going to be Pistachio Glaze, and as you can see, I got all three. This to me is definitely worth it. If you are a gourmand girl, you have to be into gourmand scents. Very much a pistachio. I'm here for this. She smells absolutely amazing, so good, and she is so amazing in every single form, you guys. Go check that video out. But yes, this part 3 luxury collection was absolutely amazing. Okay, now in this haul I also went and took back one of my Wallflower plugs because it wasn't working right. So I took it back and I just exchanged it for a new one. When you do an exchange, you don't have the receipt, you just exchange it for the same product. So it ended up being this one, and I'm glad that they got me this one because this is the one that you can do scent control. So it's a little button over here. The older Wallflower plugs did not have scent control, and mine did not, and it was like burning at the top, really weird. So I'm so happy to have this one, and this retails for $18.95. I want to say when I first got it, it was $16.95 because it should have been reward eligible, but now it is not, and I think it's just because it is scent control. I think most of theirs are scent control now, but I went ahead and exchanged it, and I think I have one more that I need to exchange. Then when I did the buy 3 get 3, I wanted to get the new Sweetest Song, so I went ahead and got the fragrance mist. This is blush raspberries, sugar crystals, and whipped musk. Now if you didn't see my review on the perfume pen, I did do that already. I will have it linked. This one is very pretty, really girly. The more I smell it, the more I think it smells like something. I did do a couple comparisons in that video. They didn't really compare to any of the fragrances I said, but I've seen some people say now that this smells very similar to Gingham Gorgeous, the pink one, which I have not went and smelled that one. I do have that in my collection, but I can kind of get a little bit of that. So I did go ahead and pick up the mist. This was $18.95. I also went ahead and picked up the body butter because y'all know I'm obsessed with their body butters. So I wanted to go ahead and get this. And this is very pretty. It smells a little bit sweeter. I get way more of the raspberries in the body butter, which I'm definitely happy about. I love that. I love how sweet it smells. And then the very last thing that I got from that collection is the bath soaks. And I wasn't expecting to get these, but I smelled them and it smells so good. Like, y'all, these bath soaks are amazing. They smell so nice, and these also retail for $18.95. So it definitely was worth it to do the buy 3 get 3 and then the 25% off, and it made it like 7 something. So yeah, you guys. So there, guys, that is it. That is my little haul of brand new stuff. I want to know, have you guys checked out the Sweetest Song yet? Are you interested in this scent? It's very beautiful. I don't personally think I'm going to be getting anything else from this collection out of this scent. This scent is very beautiful, but I won't need a backup of this, I don't think. Unless I start wearing it and then I fall in love with it, but I highly doubt it. I already have the fragrance pen because, like I said, I did a review on this. If the actual fragrances actually go on sale, maybe I would pick it up. But as of right now, I don't need that, y'all. I do not need that. But yeah, guys, that is my haul. Let me know if any of you guys picked up any of the newness. Now, y'all know I'm supposed to be on a no buy, and my friend, she reminded me, like, girl, ain't you supposed to be on no buy? Yes. Oh, Shamari, I'm supposed to be on a no buy. Yes, I failed. But I promise y'all, I'm not going back into Bath and Body Works anymore for the month of March. I am not, unless they have a fragrance mist sale, or like a fragrance sale. That would be the only thing I go in, because I do want to get a price adjustment. If these go on sale within the next 2 weeks, I'll go get a price adjustment, and then I might pick up, a backup. But other than that, y'all, I promise I'm staying up out of these people's store, y'all. I got to. So yeah, guys, that is it. That's my little haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in another video. Bye, guys.